Mama is awake.
My prince. Are you alright?
Mama, you're awake.
Yes.
Ebuka, go and get the doctor immediately, please. Fast, Ebuka!
Where is my daughter, man? Where is she?
Mama, she's fine, okay? Mama, how are you feeling?
Just the pains all over my body. My prince, are you okay? I see you are lost in thoughts.
Mama, I'm fine, okay? Fine.
Okay, it's my daughter. Amanda, I hope she's okay.
Yes, Mama, she's fine. Mama, please, you need to relax, okay? Please, you need to relax, okay? The doctor is coming. You don't need to stress yourself. Everything will be alright.
Okay. My prince, thank you very much. I don't know what I and my daughter would have done without you.
Mama, it's fine.
Thank you.
Mama, you need to relax and rest, okay? Please just relax yourself, okay? The doctor is coming.
I don't know how this connects, but I think Chinelo is responsible for the prince's disappearance. How do you mean? She seems to know everything about this palace, every private thing about this palace. For example, she even knew the prince was coming back to Nigeria even before the Tranquil announced it.
Are you sure about this?
I'm not sure, but don't worry. We are going to find out. We are here now. Find out. My darling, my dear, come here and to the phone. So I finish it. You want to allow.
What are you doing here?
You receive a word that you and the prince are here. You need to get the prince so that we can get back to the palace at once.
No. It's not possible. Not possible.
The king instructed that we shouldn't come back to the palace until the prince is being found.
And the prince instructed you go back to the palace and tell the king you intercepted us by the village road while we were on transit heading for an emergency. Did you hear that?
Okay,
now leave.
I'll do that.
Go.
Ebuka,
My prince,
what did you tell them?
exactly what you told me.
Good.
My prince, please, you have done more than enough. You have paid our hospital bills. Please, my son, I think you should go home. Please go home so that your parents will stop being worried about your whereabouts. Oh no. Pico.
Mama, I still have one more thing to solve.
Which is?
You mean you saw them and you allowed them slip through your fingers? Are you going bananas?
We are sorry, my king.
You're sorry? Did you hear that? It is obvious that these fools are eating too much food in this palace.
My king, he said he needed to attend an emergency situation.
And you allow him do that? He told you that and you allow him? Oh, I am going to skin both of you alive, including those who are still on their way. I'll skin all of you alive.
We are sorry, my king.
Shut up! Now get out before I skin you alive.
I hope my son is safe wherever he is, so that my mind can be settled.
At least we heard that he is okay with Ebuka. Trust me when I say I'm going to fix this. I am not going to rest until my son returns. Trust me.
Mama, good afternoon. My prince, good afternoon.
Doctor, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. My prince. The parent has already called me. They're asking of your whereabouts. And I told them I knew nothing about it. So, you know how risky this is. You need to do something, please. You know I could lose my license.
Doctor, I'm really sorry about that. I promise you I will make sure nothing goes wrong. Please.
Okay, please just try and do something, okay?
This
is very, very risky.
Doctor, where's my daughter?
She's fine. She will regain consciousness later today. So you don't need to worry, okay? Everything is taken care of.
My prince, please, pick your phone and call your parents. Yeah? So that they will stop getting worried about your whereabouts. Oh, no. Please, my prince, call them. Pick your phone.
Hello? Father, how are you? And how is mother? Father, I'm so sorry I kept you guys worried. I had an emergency to attend to. Please forgive me, Father. Yes, I seized Ebuka's phone. Father, I'll be coming home today. Alright, Father, thank you.
Your Majesty, I told you. I told you there is no cause for alarm, but you didn't believe me.
You know he's my only son, and the next in line to sit on the throne of my forefathers.
It's fine. So I will have to call my boys to stop the search party for him.
Nice. I will surely send for you.
Thank you very much. I beg to take my leave.
As I do take off.
Thank you.
Yes, it is. Is it still there?
No, he's got it. He's got it.
Why is all this happening now? Why now that I'm in love with this girl? Oh God, what is going on?
So the prince is finally back. I think now is my chance. I'll take my chances.
Why is this happy?
Because the prince is back. At least the day for him to choose a bride will not be postponed.
So you think this is a Nollywood movie where the prince gets to choose the palace maiden, not minding her low status? It's not part of it, this is reality. By tomorrow, you'll be standing and clapping for the chosen maiden, okay?
Watch me become the queen of this kingdom. Fine girl like you. You will see, don't worry.
In your wildest dream. Just do.
Welcome to you all. welcome the beautiful ladies of India and Omaki. And welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. We are here today because the prince will choose among you who will be the future queen of India and Omaki. So without wasting much of your time, let me ask the prince to choose from among these beautiful ladies. Prince?
My son, the beautiful ladies of this kingdom are here to showcase themselves to you. I know you can see them. I will make the choice for you. And I know you trust me to make the right choice.
Mother.
Yes, my son.
I am sorry because my heart belongs somewhere else. Ebuka.
Yeah.
Take me away from here.
Jidana, where are you going?
Son,
please.
Son.
What can I do? Have you seen it? Oh, beautiful maidens of India and Omaki Kingdom. We are so sorry. Some days are like that. Just bear with us. Bear with us. Hi.
All my life, I've never been embarrassed like this.
My dear, you can say that again. Imagine how that prince treated us as if we are piece of useless furniture.
I have never been embarrassed in my entire life the way that prince did. Someone that I wanted to manage, is telling us that he has someone already. How? Like, who would want to even manage someone like him? A blind bat? Someone that cannot see.
I don't blame him. I don't.
That's his business though. Me, I must be royalty. Whether by charm or by gun. Yes.
He's royalty. I must be royalty.
By what? Why laughing? Why guys laughing? Why laughing?
I'm right. With royalty.
Madam, I'm here. Ndo. Sorry, Ndo.
Yeah.
Just calm down. Oh, calm down. Yeah, you got into fight with the Ego and Ndidi. And I tried separating you guys. I fell down and broke my arm.
Oh, Mama, who are these people you mentioned?
Ego and Ndidi. Those village rascals that always bully you. You mean you can't remember them? Don't worry. They are not important now. What is important is that the priest came to our rescue and he brought us to the hospital.
Ajamadu, ibiago bilu aza, kimere juanyi, ilokwa sapa aza. Ajoni, ibiago bilu aza, kimere juanyi, ilokwa sapa aza. Ebere madu adebe kwagina, alemi madu adebe kwagina.
Amanda. Ah! Sorry.
Ma.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Yes. Yes, I'm fine.
Sorry, what?
Thank you, Mama.
Ndo. You'll be fine.
Oh, Mama. I think I remember him now. He was wearing a blue outfit, right?
Exactly, my daughter. Exactly, Iji.
He's such a kind-hearted soul. Saving someone he barely knows.
Amanda.
Oh, my friends.
My friends. She's sick.
Amanda.
It's okay. Take it easy, Amanda. Why you? Easy, go. It's okay,
My friends.
Amanda, how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Amanda, I'm so sorry for what happened. I promise you'll be fine, okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Amanda.
I love you, my friends.
I love you too, Amanda. Where have you been all my life?
My friends.
Amanda.
Welcome.
Mama.
Please help him sit in the bed.
Please, just manage.
Thank you, Mama. Amanda.
Yes, my friends.
You awake?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, my friends, for helping a total stranger. You didn't have to, but you did anyway. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm glad I could help. Amanda.
My prince.
You're no longer a stranger to me. I want you to know that. Oh, Mama, how are you?
My prince, I'm fine. My prince, today is supposed to be the contest day. And you are here. Why?
Mama, I did not choose anyone because my heart belongs somewhere else.
Never! I'd rather die than to watch this happen. You left all the beautiful women here from this kingdom for someone suffering from memory loss? An amnesia patient. Excuse me.
Father, she has selective amnesia. She does not entirely forget everything. Mother, please.
Oh, don't you dare mother me. Need I remind you, Jidena, that you are blind. And what you need a wife for is somebody who will assist you. Not another liability. Not a mentally stable woman. I'm not a mad woman. Keep quiet, I'm still talking.
I won't sit down here and allow you guys insult my wife to be. It is not possible. I won't.
What did I hear you say? Your wife. Who made her your wife? I shall never give you my blessings.
Listen to me, Jidena. This is not all about your feelings. This is a decision that you have taken, and it will mar the entire feature of this kingdom if it's not on check.
Father, she will be fine. She only needs to be flown abroad for surgery.
Not at my watch.
Father, please.
Never! Ebuka! Ebuka!
Papa, you remember when the prince said, or rather made it public, that he has found himself a wife?
Of course, he said it publicly. On that day, he's supposed to choose a maiden.
The maiden he found has amnesia.
Amnesia?
Memory loss. That means she does not remember anything about herself.
That's what fits him. Physically challenged couples.
And mentally challenged.
And mentally challenged. The other one will be walking somehow, the other one will be walking blind. It fits them. That's what they bargained for. Very good. But who is that maiden?
I don't know. He didn't say. And I don't care. The only thing I care about now is that those people that bought land, they have paid you. Papa, they have given you money. And since that time, it is only 350,000 that you have given me. So where is the rest? Papa, tell me, I need money.
The only problem your generation, the only problem you people have is that you are impatient. Very, very impatient. Remember, they paid just 150 million into my account. But the rest, they paid it to the community account. And they know the purpose of that money they paid. I will use it to bribe the villagers, everybody, including in this year. Bribe them so that they will support me in my bid to become the Igwe. And you know what it means if I become Igwe. What you stand
Papa, John, did you listen to yourself? Did you see the way you shaped your mouth and said that 150 million is small money? Do you know how much 150 million is? In fact, Papa, so 150 million men could women account right now. Do you know what it means? It means you are now a millionaire. Hey, Papa Fajo! So, Papa, see, if not for the plans that we have, why should I still be in that palace, slaving away my life, where my father is now a millionaire? I should be at home. No one has been a miracle. As a millionaire.
It is not yet time. When today? Just exercise patience. Stop raising your voice. You know who your mother is. Stop raising your voice. Just let us arrange it. You know, the money we are talking about is in the bank. It's not with me right now. And you know, these bank people are so difficult. To bring out money from bank these days is not easy.
It's true. It's true, I understand, Papa. So, Bank, I know where you keep all those ones that you keep under the mattress. Let me go and take from them. When you settle with the bank, you can replace it.
Don't worry. Don't go. Don't go. Your mother, if she knows where that money is, there will be problems.
You're welcome. Welcome, my queen. I wasn't expecting you.
And why would he be expecting me when you and this witch you call a daughter has bewitched my son?
I beg your pardon, my queen. What are you talking about?
Don't you dare pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about, you ungrateful wretch. When you went crippled, I single-handedly paid your bills to stop this leg from rotting. I even got you this wheelchair you're sitting on. And when your husband died, the royal household foot his burial expenses. And this is how you want to pay me back? By forcing your daughter, who has a memory loss, on my son.
Ma, calm down.
Will you shut up your mouth?
My queen, please. My daughter does not have memory loss.
Jiden haven't told you yet. Oh,
Doctor, I tried stopping her,
but she refused.
Don't worry, I'll take it from
Okay, sir.
Greetings, my queen.
Doctor, so this is where my son has been. And you pretended not to know anything about his whereabouts.
I'm at the emergency ward.
You will hear from me.
I'm so sorry.
And as for you, and this your daughter, this witch here, stay away from my family.
Please, you have to take this because of your...
I said, stay away from my family. Get out of my sight!
Doctor, is it true that my daughter has memory loss?
I think with the wounds she sustained.
Mama, why was she swimming like that?
When are you going to tell me that my daughter has memory loss? When?
My mother told you. I learned she was here.
That doesn't answer my question.
Mama, we are making arrangements to fly her abroad for the surgery. Please, just calm down, okay? I promise you everything will be alright. Doctor, before coming here, I made a transfer of 10 million naira to the hospital account, even though you asked for 6.5 million naira. Doctor, do everything humanly possible for you to save her.
It's okay.
Doctor, if anything happens to her, I promise you, there will be no need for you to leave as well, Doctor.
It's okay. It's okay. She'll be fine, don't worry. She'll be fine, don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please just take him to the reception, okay?
Ibuka,
Yes, my please.
take me home.
You heard him. He's the prince of this land. Just
Mama, you don't need to worry, okay? I'll send you a consent form to fill for her surgery immediately she's flown abroad, okay? So you just take it easy. She'll be fine, okay? Don't worry. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. She'll be fine. She'll be fine, don't worry.
Mother,
Yes.
I heard you went to the hospital to confront Amanda and her mother. Why would you do such a thing, Mother? Why?
Son, who are you to question my actions? Listen, you might be the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom, but I gave birth to you. I carried you in my womb. and you sucked my breast. Therefore, I deserve your respect.
Then end it, mother. Stop harassing and intimidating them because you know they are vulnerable. This is not nice, mother.
Will you shut your mouth? I will not have you shut my wife and I keep quiet. Are you going bananas?
Father, it is obvious that you are not fit to rule this great kingdom. Father, I want to tell you something. You will not sink this great kingdom of India and your people, Father. It will not happen. Not when I'm alive. Ebuka, take me in, please.
One more stunt from this boy and I will disown him. One more stunt from this boy and I will disown him.
So, from here, all the way down there, close to one bamboo tree. Yes. This is the place. Oh, but it's fenced already. Remember the king asked for the land to be fenced right round.
Yes, I'm aware. He told me about it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ebuka, this is the land for the project, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay. Good. And it's fully fenced?
Yeah, right round. Right round.
I can see it's fully fenced.
Right round. You just remove it, and again, a big, and what's the tree called? I don't know, close to the fence.
Over there?
Yes, they have to take it out. Easy.
Okay. This is great.
Yes.
Hello? Yes, I am there. Alright.
That's why I put all my trust in him. That's why I put all my hope in him. Oh God, I know that one day you will answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day you will answer my prayers. I don't fall in love. It was not love. It was my love. It was not my heart. It was Mama boy when he wear this not love. Papa boy when he wear this not love. Now he might go marry. It was only go because. It was she might go marry. It was only go marry. It was Mama boy when he wear this not love. Papa boy when he wear this not love.
Nem, what was that you said you would tell me?
Papa, I did my findings. And it turned out that the woman the prince intends to marry is Amanda.
What are you talking about?
Amanda is the woman behind the veil that lost her memory. In fact, I heard the prince has sent her abroad for head surgery. So as it stands now, Amanda is going to be the next queen of this land.
Never. It will never happen. In fact, it can only happen over my dead body.
Eh? So, what do you want to do?
I will start from her mother. I made her cripple before. Allowed her a chance to live. But I can see she doesn't deserve it. Really why I did not kill her when I had the chance. Eh? But this time, I won't make such a mistake again. She must pay dearly for this. I won't allow her to live.
So bad. Papa, where did Mama go?
Ask her about another person. Allow that woman. Always she's jumping from one crusade to another. She must have gone to crusade. Also worshiping this white man God.
Oh Lord, bless me with the bone of my bone. Oh Lord, bless me with the flesh of my flesh. Someone that I will love, someone that will love me the way I am. My bestie, my best friend, my soulmate, yo, Chimo. I don't fall in love. It was not love. It was don't say my love. It was it's not my heart. It was Mama. I don't fall in love. It was not love. It was don't say my love. It was it's not my heart. It was Mama. When he wear this not love. Papa boy when he wear this not love. Now he might go marry. It was only go because. It was she might go marry. It was only go mulaba. It was Mama boy when he wear this not love. Papa boy when he wear this not love. I know it will be like miracle. I'm not no God the call everywhere. Ihe Chineke ga-emere m. That's why I put all my trust in him. That's why I put all my hope. Oh God, I know that one day you will answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day you will answer my prayers. I don't fall in love. It was not love. It was my love. It was not my heart. It was Mama boy when he wear this not love. Papa boy someone that I will love, someone that will love me the way I am, my bestie, my best friend, my soulmate. Oh, Chimo, I don't fall in love. This not love. Don't say my love. This not my heart. Papa boy, anyway, this not love. Papa boy, anyway, this not love. Now he might go marry. Only up, she go marry. Papa go marry. Papa boy, anyway, this not love. Papa boy, anyway, this not love.
Is he calling? Yes. Okay. Hello, Father. Father, I'm not coming back to that palace until I'm done with the reason I came back to this village. Father, it is obvious you have eyes, but you can't see. Father, I understand that you're not the man that I used to know, but your blood flows through my vein. The brave, fearless and upright man that I called my father still lives in me. Father, nobody should bother looking for me, okay? Tell Mom that I'm safe. Thank you. Look, I'll take.
My prince. Ebuka, what is going on?
Huh?
Ebuka, you will understand when the time comes. We need to leave immediately.
This way.
Greetings, Doctor. How are you?
Wow. Thank God, Doctor. Doctor, thank you so much. I'm so grateful, Doctor. Hi. Thank God.
Mama? Mama, why are you shivering now? Mama, are you okay?
My prince, I'm not okay.
What is the problem?
I am not okay at all. The Hamadan in that room, is too much. Very cold. Huh? Hey.
Mama, it's the AC now, eh? Mama, my room is just opposite yours. Mama, you should have called my attention or contact the hotel attendants, eh? Where is Ibuka safe?
Hey.
And also, Mama, the doctor called me. He said the surgery was successful, Mama.
Huh? The surgery was successful?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm sorry.
Hey.
Mama, I can see you're no more catching cold.
I'm well now. Hey. So everything went well?
Mama, everything went perfectly well, Mama. I'm so happy, Mama. I'm so delighted.
It's good to go. My prince. So when am I seeing my daughter? I've missed her a lot, though. When am I seeing her?
Mama, she'll be coming back next week. Yes.
Hey, thank you very much. Hey, I'm strong now.
Mama, I'll call you. He'll come turn off the AC for you, okay? Mama, your phone, there is no Amatan.
It's good. Hey, but I'm strong.
Yes, who is that?
Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen. I came to let you and the queen know that food is ready and served.
Get out!
Sorry, sir.
My love.
My brains.
I'm so happy the surgery was successful.
Well, it's disappointing and heart-wrenching that you cannot see how beautiful your wife-to-be looks like.
I know I can't see how beautiful you are, but I can feel you, my love. We used to play around the palace.
I'm surprised you remember all of that.
Yes, I do. Amanda.
My friends.
You know you're the reason I came back to Nigeria.
Really?
Yes. Amanda, since you came into my life, you filled my life with joy and happiness. I know the reason you stayed my wife was to get my attention.
Oh my God.
I noticed it. Amanda.
My prince.
It's a pity that we can't play around. We can't have a normal life like other couples. Because I'm blind.
Come on. That shouldn't be a problem. You're just perfect for me. Your heart is perfect for me, okay? And I love you.
I love you so much. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Your Highness, do you know we're here to see you?
Get out.
Sorry, Your Highness. Should I let him in?
Now back like a cock. Go to the palace and lock yourself in there until I say otherwise.
Yes, Your Highness.
Back like a dog!
Ebuka, please help me call my father.
Okay.
Greetings, father. I'm fine. And how are you, father? Father, please, I want you to make preparations for me. I'll be coming home with my bride tomorrow. Yes, father. And I'm so sorry for staying away for so long. Yes. All right, thank you very much. Okay.
Good. My prince, you know it's been a long day. So I'll be in my room.
Okay, Ebuka. Okay, it's fine.
The phone.
Okay.
Good day, my prince.
Okay, Ebuka.
My love.
Hey, baby.
Okay.
I'm fine, my darling. Are you okay?
Yes. But my prince, it's becoming scary. I mean, your absence in the palace. I know your parents think you're safe, but I feel your absence from the palace is really worrisome to them. Don't you think it's time to return to the palace?
My love.
My prince.
The time is ripe. This is the right time. Okay?
Okay.
Oh. Mama? Oh my prince. It's my mother.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. Mama. I have missed you, Mama. My prince.
Greetings, Mama. Mama, how are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, Mama. Hope you're feeling better now.
I'm strong. I'm strong. I'm strong.
I have missed you so much. I came by your room earlier, but you were fast asleep, so I didn't want to disturb you.
My dear, I felt your presence. So I wake up to come and see my beautiful daughter.
Oh, Mama, you do not look bad yourself. All thanks to our future king, who has been taking really good care of me.
Mama, my prince.
Mama, how are you feeling?
I'm fine. I'm good. And you?
Mama, I'm fine, as you can see.
Mama, I have missed you so much.
I miss you too, my angel. I miss you too. Look at how beautiful you are.
Mama, I could say the same for you. You look really beautiful.
No, you make arrangements to meet the town crier to announce the arrival of the prince and his bride. I don't think we have any time left. Yes.
It will not work. You see, you should have given me a pre-notice so that I will prepare for the ceremony.
Will you keep your mouth shut? How dare you truncate my orders? Next time, when you try this, I'll forget that you know who and punish you severely.
What? I am the one.
Will I shut up and get out and go to the town crier immediately? No, get out now. Also get for.
The pigeon has come to roost.
Sorry. Sorry.
What's going on? Does it mean that the king has suddenly grown immune to my charms? I can't remember the last time the king stood against me the way he did today. Or could it be that the charm has expired? It is not possible because he said the charm is for eternity.
Ajọ mmadụ ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ nke mere ju oyi ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ajọ onye ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ nke mere ju oyi ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ebere mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi alemi mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi ebere mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi all this evil you are doing, we come back to you. Makano bume, nesina mala, imakwano bwebe, nesina bala. Hagadi wanyi jimbo, abandi mochi. Matakwa na ochi na akwa ndị mmụọ bụ ofu ife onye metere bụ isi ebuka na-erie ife metere iburu wave of royalty you want to destroy the royalty you want to kill to have your way you are too greedy no ajọ mmadụ ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ nke mere ju oyi ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ajọ onye ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ.
Evil man, what are you planning again? I know that whatever thing that is bothering you like this must be great for it to scatter you this way. I wish you can see, just see yourself. And I say, Madu wepa and Anjo Oju. If you go near, no peace for the wicked. Okwezi go kuku. Ngwanu. Kanga fugo di munye di mu. Whatever thing you plan is on your head. See how you are. Just look at how you are.
Okosisi. Okosisi. The mighty tree that makes a forest. The only consuming fire that consumes the flames. The mighty, mightier than the mighty. I come before you once again, and I bow and tremble. Okosisi, the king is beginning to regain his senses. Go, make him loyal to me. I want every word that I speak to become a law into his ears. Go, Sisi. Go. 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 Go, Sisi, because I know. Go. Go. Go, Sisi. It's me. Please go. Go!
Ajamade, Ibiago Wilu Ozo, Kimere Joyi, Ilopasapa Ozo, Ajoni, Ibiago Wilu Ozo, Kimere Joyi, I don't fall in love, it was not love, it was my love, it was not my heart, it was my boy when he went, it's not love, Papa boy when he went, it's not love, now he might go marry, it was only go people, it was she go marry, it was only go munaba, it was Papa boy when he went, it's not love, Papa boy when he went, it's not love. I know it will be like miracle. I'm a born no God be called Ebube. Iye Chineke ga-emere m. That's why I put all my trust in Him. That's why I put all my hope in Him. Oh God, I know that one day You will answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day You will answer my prayers. I don't fall in love. It was not love. It was my love. It was not my heart. It was my boy when he went. It's not love. Papa boy when he went. It's not love.
Mama, calm down. Use the brakes. Son, use the brakes. So, what is the meaning of this? What is she doing here? Son, what are they doing here?
Father, Mother, I am sorry for everything. I know I haven't made this past few weeks a smooth one for the both of you. Father, everything I'm doing is for the betterment of this great kingdom. Guard!
My prince.
Lock the gate.
Hey.
Yes, my prince.
Is everything alright?
My people, I came back to this kingdom for two reasons. Firstly, to find a wife for myself.
Hey, that's a good one. Oh. Hey.
And secondly, to expose and fish out the bad eggs that have been disturbing this kingdom, causing problems in this great kingdom of ours. Onowu, the bead you are wearing, what is it for?
Fancy no. Fancy? You jump man.
Onowu, I want you to throw that bead against the ground.
Yes. Makawai. Give me some milk.
No, do it now.
Look, this bead was given to me in my church. How can I throw it? It's not possible.
What is this for?
I wonder, is it because I'm standing here with you people? This is, I hate embarrassment and I don't like it. I'm leaving.
Oh no.
That's.
Oh no. That's.
Oh no, what's that?
Yes. Remove it.
Back. It's my church that gave it to me.
Son, are you okay?
Father, I know what I'm doing, okay?
Hey. Hey.
Onowu, will confess now before it's too late.
Papa, hi. Papa, please confess. Confess.
Why will I confess?
So that all these things will end. Yeah? Confess.
It's because of you, because of my daughter. Because we are involved, that's why I will confess. Yeah? I sneaked into this palace and hid a charm somewhere in the palace, so that
I'll be able to control the king. Yes, whatever I say the king must do. I made the king my mugu. My mugu. Yes. I killed my older brother, the first one. What? Because I want to inherit that throne. I want to.
You killed my father! Take me here, let me
I even crippled his wife.
No, sir. It has been you all this while. Why? Hello. Hello.
And I've been poisoning the queen. Yes, I've been poisoning the queen through my daughter here. Yes.
Must you say that part?
You want only me to die. All of us, we are in it together. All of us, we must collect. Yes. Yes. And not only that, not only that. I made the prince blind. Yes. Through spiritual means. I did it. Yes. And okay. I've been able to achieve all this.
You call it achievement, eh? You call it achievement?
It's an achievement. Yes, it's an achievement because I've been able to achieve it through the help of Okosisi. Yes. Okosisi has been helping me.
How dare you expose me? You coward! Since you cannot keep your mouth shut, I will help you to keep it shut forever.
Hey! Kosi is down. Kosi is on the ground. Hey! That's him. Hey!
Oh, we speak.
Yes, I planned the banishment of Ezemo. Okosisi planned with me, and we banished Ezemo because he has been a stumbling block. I also planned to assassinate Onyinye when I found out that the priest planned to marry the daughter.
Hey.
Yes. Did it.
Before Okosisi does anything, the gods showed me first. I let the queen and the king's own happen because they are predestined to happen. I saw the blindness sent to the prince and I revised it. I had to warn him.
What do you want from me?
Prince Jidena of Ndianioma Kingdom. The eagles have finally landed, not to catch a prey or kill it, but to defend it from the claws of its predators.
Who are you? I remember the Ezemo of my kingdom.
The sincerity and allegiance and spirituality of Ndianioma Kingdom has been compromised, and it sent forth blindness to you. But I neutralized it before it could get to you. You need to act blind until the prophecy is completed, and your parents should not know about this. Until then, you will know.
My son. Jidena. You mean you can see? You can see me?
Mother, I could see all this while.
Hey! What am I wearing?
Mother, you're wearing a lace and you have a bead.
My son! May the gods be praised! May the gods be praised!
My son! Oh my God.
Mother, I can see. I was never blind.
Praise be to the gods. Hey!
Because of our land.
Thank you.
Hey!
Amanda, my love. I've always seen how beautiful and gorgeous you are. I am sorry that I lied. I had to. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. And as for you, the so-called Onowu, you sold the land for 650 million and kept 150 million to yourself. What you did not know that the document the king signed was fake. The alert you received was a fake transfer.
Hey, what's no fake alert? Fake alert.
Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. You word you know me. Ayayaya oh iwa oh onu majuru hobi oh. Ayayaya oh onu ma oh. You word you know me. Ayayaya oh iwa oh onu majuru hobi oh. Ayayaya oh onu ma oh. Ochi juru hoese. Ayayaya oh iwa oh onu majuru hobi. Ayayaya oh onu ma oh. In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no madinsa nanisi ezea. They are here to destroy and kill. I'm wearing.
Hey!
You planned on bribing everyone and to dethrone my father, the king of this great kingdom. Onowu, I promise you, you will pay for all the crimes you've committed.
How can I pay when you are sending fake alert to me now? It's not fair.
So there was no money.
But that was bad. Memo Joro.
There was no money.
The wages of sin is catastrophic. It's death.
Mama, are you okay?
I felt something on my leg.
Mama, just relax. Calm down.
Mama.
Mama, please just sit.
Mama.
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 Oh my God. Hey! Mama, you're standing.
Mama, you're
Mama,
standing.
Mama.
We are sorry for the kind of punishment meted against you in the recent past. Today, you have been reinstated as the Ezemo of this kingdom.
You're under arrest for the attempted murder of the future queen of this kingdom. Move it.
Me?
Move it now.
I don't fall in love. It's not love. I don't see my lover. It's not my heart.
Father. Mother, I present to you my wife, the lady I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Hey! Yes. If you move, I'll shoot. Move. I will shoot.
Rain snake in the green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me? In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Magonye no maninsa nanisi yeze. They are here to destroy and kill. A weary family. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free.